Alrighty, welcome back. Looks like the neighbor's house. It's got some underground going on over there in the ditch. And then going over to my house. Don't see too much progress in the garage yet. We'll see what else they got going on in here. Looks like they did sand it inside, not in the garage though. As you can see in the garage, you can see the difference. And in here, you cannot, so it's nice and soft. So it looks like they got all of this done. Looks like they're about ready to spray it, assuming everything is mudded. Looks like it's about ready to spray or spray it with texture, and then spray it with paint. So everything is nice and soft. So check it out. So I thought this was gonna be a little bit faster process, but it takes time. You gotta do layers, you gotta sand it. So yeah. So looks like it's about ready to go. So everything's looking nice now. Nice and flat. Got the wire right there. So yeah, looks like it's ready to go. I think it was probably like 3 days. They had to texture, or they had to mud it once, and then they had to mud it again, and then I don't know if they mudded it a third time, probably not, and then they sanded it down at least a third day. So it's a process. So looks like she's all ready to go now. Yeah, so sweet. So maybe they will come texture it here real soon, like in the next couple days, maybe this week. So I don't know why they didn't do the garage though. Hopefully they're texturing the garage, because if not, that's gonna be really ugly if they're just gonna leave it like this. I mean, obviously I don't think they would leave it this ugly without it even sanded, but I mean, I thought they were supposed to. Someone called me, so anyways, they should at least sand this, but I believe they are texturing the garage. I'm just not sure why they did not sand it in the garage yet. So anyways, that should probably wrap up the video for today, everyone. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like, subscribe. See you guys back here in the next update. And yeah, check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell for notifications for uploads and live streams. Thanks guys. God bless. Have a nice rest of your day. All right guys, one thing I did miss, they got the stone on the house. So they got the black stone right here. There's like one gray one right there. I'm not sure. Anyways, then they got the white one right there. The grayish one at the top, and then same on the other side over here, like one gray one, orange one, and the gray one over here. If you look at the neighbor's house, they haven't even I mean, they got like 2 stones on the bottom, so we're making fast progress in them, so that's cool. Anyways, y'all, that should do it.